I've got an idea.
We should really discuss what we're going to do before we sat down.
Well, don't use this bit. Start it from the...
Start from here?
Yeah.
Hello. Is that how we started? I can't remember.
I've never started it with hello. It just seems really... I like those kind of crash intros. Like, boom, you're in the video. We're going to look at the anamorphic lens in a vlog style. We know you were disappointed in AJ's grab and go.
Hang on, they weren't disappointed.
We know that you didn't get enough out of AJ's grab and go review video. It was a bit of a letdown.
It wasn't.
And we're responding to that with a vlog style, cinematic, anamorphic lens shot on a mobile phone. Oh, shot on a mobile phone.
I know.
Okay, we're gonna do it for the kids.
Do it for the gram.
Do it for the gram.
Are you on TikTok yet?
Oh, don't TikTok me.
Probably get your head.
What, cinematic face?
Cinematic Pete's head. Here we go.
Is it working?
No. Maybe if I do it the other way around.
Have you done it? Okay, we're done with that. If you haven't seen AJ's grab and go review, that's probably a good thing. This one's going to be far better. It's a vlog style of the grab and go. I don't want to write out a whole storyboard for...
I can't be bothered with that.
Pete drinks tea with his pinky.
That's good. I tell you what I could do. I could shoot you
with the anamorphic
and a gun.
I could shoot you with it.
I could shoot you with it. This is for who gets to shoot who.
Right, three.
1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3.
3.
1, 2, 3. It means you get shot.
Why do I always like? Oh, Pete will get shot. That would be good.
Well, Pete gets shot. What do you look like?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? Look at you.
Well, I'm ready, aren't I?
Yeah, I just thought we'd just do like...
It was cinematic. I was thinking getting character.
Right, yeah, you really embraced it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any ear defenders?
Or live firing.
Live firing.
Cinematic.
Where did you even get this from?
This was from my days in, you know, I don't like to talk about it, it brings back memories.
You've watched a lot of movies.
A lot of movies.
And did you dream of being in them by chance?
When I start firing, in a minute, you'll get to see down. I am firing, aren't I? Why are you giving me that look?
I mean, well, just get, if you get into position enough, you'll just see. But like, I think you might have overdone it. You probably don't need the guns at all. So you're in position.
Yeah.
Wow, you're really ready for this.
You need to say action, basically. I'll do a stance, like.
Right.
And then you pan across to me, that's it, pan across, and I'll go like that.
There's a couple of other bits I want to get as well, but we'll do your bit first.
Okay.
And then we'll do my bit. You know what you're doing, yeah?
Yeah? Yeah, I'm good, okay. I'm good. And acting.
Do you want to do like a transition for me or something?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah.
You just follow me around real quick. Follow the end of the gun.
Problem is, you're the only one in costume.
Yeah.
Just means that we're going to have to fire some bullets at you.
Right, okay.
So you got the glasses on though, so you'll be fine.
Cool.
You'll be absolutely fine.
Okay, have you finished?
Best film ever.
You're right. It's quite a lot of bullets. But I think we've got a good movie now, and we've done the anamorphic lens justice at least.
I just don't see the point in it. What came across to me was an execution.
Yeah.
It was meant to be a heroic scene. Instead, what we got was Pete gets shot with an anamorphic lens.
Yeah.
And it just looks like an absolute... Here, sit on this chair, Pete. Sit on this chair, you're going to be executed.
Oh.
I'm having to come right over to be in there.
You're always like, I want to be in the shot. How did you find filming with the anamorphic lens?
Well, let me tell you about it.
Yeah.
The anamorphic, the first video on Grab and Go Review, not very good. The second video, this video, not very good. I can only apologise. It was some kind of 18 rated torture chamber where one narcissist gets to unload on a what is a wannabe hero.
How would you rate this video out of 10?
0.5.
I think that's harsh. I'd say it's 11.
Yeah, the anamorphic, I'd review it as great when it flares, not so great for the rest of the time, horrible using any lens on a mobile phone, but I totally get it. It's not Die Hard. It's nothing like Die Hard. I had in my head it was going to be Die Hard.
And maybe Moment could use that on the website. Pete Morgan, the Moment Anamorphic Lens, it's not Die Hard.
That'll do. And that's a good ending. We'll leave it there.
Yeah.
And see you in the next one.